So I'm going to lead you through the back end of the NauticEd website now, and I think you're going to really like our layout. So up here is the My NauticEd button. Anytime you click that, that leads you back to what we call the home page on the back end of it. So here's some giant big buttons. It's right here. So this is your curriculum button. All your courses that you have purchased in your curriculum, plus the 2 free courses that we give you. So it'll tell you a little bit of information. Each button here tells you a little bit of information about what's going on with you. So your most recent working course is Bareboat Charter Clinic, and here's Run the Course Calculator to see your personalized recommended courses. So when you get started, you want to start a course, you always click on this curriculum button here. Logbook button, that's about all of your logged entries for your experience, where you've been out on a boat. And it also gives you a bit of information what your rank is, and what your next rank might be, and what your progress towards your next rank is, and number of crewmates and how many days you've logged out on the water. If you'll notice up here, this is a model student that we have set up, Joseph Sailor. And anytime you want to click on your profile or learn information about yourself that you've got up there, just click on this. You can edit your profile here. There's always an issue button here. If you're finding an issue with something that's going wrong with the software, just click on that, and then this is how you log out. And this is your profile completion amount, so that you can get a fully completed profile for our resume. Just down over here, badges. Shows how many badges you've got awarded. Joseph has got 5 out of 10 badges, and his status, really big time sailor. Sailing resume. This is a button which tells you if you are qualified to charter a boat on a sailing vacation. If we think that you're qualified, we'll put this up here. So, and then also it'll give you information about if your verified practical competency is complete from a sailing school. And then just here, gifts and how to get free courses. And then here's a button that you should probably click on very early when you get started with NauticEd. It's how NauticEd works. It's all the videos and everything to get through, understand all the sailing resumes, understand badges, understand logbook and everything like that. So that's what you should do there. So let's just dive right into a curriculum. And first thing you'll notice here is my courses, your incomplete courses that you haven't finished, and your recommended courses. And right here is a recommended courses widget that we put together, and it'll ask you a few questions about your sailing habits, and based on those questions we'll come up with a personalized recommended courses plan for you. So make sure you take that. And then here's all your past courses that you've completed, and then over on the right hand side here is how to promote yourself, how to gain rank, what courses you need to take, and things like that. Okay, so other courses of interest, ones that you might not have taken, and then down here are some of the apps and games and widgets that we have. So if we just go back to our past courses, and I'm just going to take you into a course just really quickly. So here's Joseph Sailor, who's completed the Skipper course. Here's the starting page for the Skipper course, and you'll see all of the course modules and everything here. So we'll just dive right into first module, and here's a page in the first module. Here is the table of contents. Anytime you want to jump around inside the module or take the test, just go right there. Next page, previous page. If the module exists in a PDF format, you can download it here. If you don't see that button, then it won't be in a PDF format. But again, we recommend that you don't use the PDF version, just because you lose the interactivity when you do a PDF version. You can always jump back to the course start page right here, or go all the way back to your curriculum. And you'll notice I'm here, I've done this in another video, but we talk about what CTalks is, and CTalks is a nano forum that represents questions and comments from all of our students about information that's on this page. Okay, so and then throughout the courses you'll see embedded videos, you'll see graphics, explanations, and things like that. So that's inside a course. Let's go back to my curriculum, and then also we can even go back to my NauticEd. So just tap on Logbook here. So this is how you make an entry into your logbook. And so add logbook entry. This is the add logbook entry page. Here you can download your sailing certificate. Get some instructions about how this page works here. View all of your logbook entries. So these are all of the entries that Joseph has made with his crewmates, and whether that entry has been authenticated or not. The vessels that Joseph Sailor has. So we've set up 3 vessels automatically in your profile that you can use just if you go out on a random boat on one day, just use one of these vessels. And you can also set up your own random boats, or you can set up your own vessels. This is how you manage crewmates in here. Add a crewmate, delete a crewmate, and just look on our blog site and understand more about our crewmates, or you can even click right here, learn more about what crewmates does. And then other experience. This is the experience that charter companies also want to know. How many times have you done day anchoring, overnight anchoring, Mediterranean mooring, etc., etc., if you're a master of the boat or as crew. And then over on the right hand side here you'll see your progress and ranks. Skipper, bareboat charter master, and captain. So Joseph Sailor needs to do a little bit more work to get to captain. You can click on the more about ranks there, and you'll find out how to jump up to captain. And this is his level, his experience level, 0 through 5. So Joseph Sailor is a bareboat charter master, level 3. All right, that's just a quick look through Logbook. Badges and sailing resume right here. So your sailing resume. This is the crux of everything that you do with NauticEd, is you're working to build your resume. So you're taking courses, you are logging your time, you're getting authenticated log time through your crewmates, and you're getting signed off by sailing schools, and you're gaining badges. All of these things together culminate to create a sailing resume, an excellent sailing resume that you can present to a charter company. So here's a printer-friendly version. You can save it as a PDF. You can download your sailing certificate, and then you can also send this printer-friendly version straight to a charter company, and they will take a look at the resume. If you're sitting at bareboat charter master level 3, you're almost guaranteed anywhere in the world to be accepted to charter a boat, with the one caveat is that if you go to the Mediterranean, you need the ICC. And you can look on our site more about the ICC. So here's the resume, all the courses that Joseph has passed, his summary of his sailing experience as master of the vessel, as crew of the vessel, his powerboat experience, his operational experience, and then verified practical competency by a sailing school. Anytime you've got a question about something, just click on one of these and it'll pop up information about what's going on there. And then his other certifications. So looks like Joseph Sailor has got the Royal Yachting Association Day Skipper course. He passed it in 2006. And you can enter any other of your own certificates here. Alright, so that is a really good run through of exactly what's going on the back end. I think you'll be pretty impressed with what we're doing. And thanks. If you've got any questions, you can always just email us, phone call us. We love talking to our students. But just take a look through and have a little play around, and I think you'll see that NauticEd is one of the world's top e-learning companies, not sailing e-learning company. We're talking e-learning companies here because of the technology that we've invested into helping you grow your practical and your theory combined. That's where it comes together. You can go to university and you can learn about certain topics, but you haven't got any practical world working experience. So your resume is like your university degree plus all of your practical experience you've had working out in the world. And that's exactly what we've done here with NauticEd in our e-learning program. So thanks very much. All right.